Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we be review one kit from Master Grade SD. This Destiny Gundam, MGSD Destiny Gundam. The box art here, and this one you can see the articulation parts, and you got accessory and gimmick, open hatch, like this. Then the posing here, so here, and the wing. And this is the front view, this is in the frame, the rear view, and got camera eyes, realistic multi-layer effect. Got there's detail here inside here, so detail here, and got another real metallic gloss injection detail here. So this same as previous MGSD. So there's a detail like MG but in SD size. So first pack here we have there's a clear part for the shield H2. They have G1, small black for the black backpack, and some for the skirt, I think. This one shield also here, and the eyes, the armor for the black color. Then next so we have this one B1. So B1 blue color armor. This is H1 for the sword weapon. A we got a green for the gun weapon. B fin, this metallic parts for the details, and the clear part for the eyes. Next got two E1 and E2, but I think not duplicate anything different. This so mostly for inner frame and weapon. This one for the gun, in the frame head. This one for body, and this is hand. I see the leg part here. Slap. And G2 grey color. This we have B2 and C1, the armor, and B2 also for the armor. I think this previously B1. So this B1 and this B2. Okay, like this, copy paste. And C1 and C2 here. C2 nak follow. C2 and C1 clear part. This for the eye or for the hand part. C2 C1 here also. This one, no, like this. Like this, copy paste. This the middle part is for arm, hand or leg. This is for the skirt, and this for the head and shoulder. Head and shield. And we have here D1 and D2 for the wing parts, and some of for the armor part, the red color one. Okay, so this normal sticker, clear part for the wing and weapon. And last pack here is this inner frame runner F to runner F. So inner frame for the wing, the weapon here, and for the leg, and that's all for the runner. So we transfer back here first. Still waiting for MGSD RX78. Okay, close it out. So this is the manual. I think we can. Okay, this manual. So all the runner here, when it has some part is crossed. So start with the head parts, body, arms, and this one they list out the runner for you to use. Saya tutup pintu. And this the step by step to put the arm to the body. Need to follow this because they got like a pack here. Leg, waist, this information, articulation, gimmick for the weapon, for the gun, the wing, and some other accessory here. And the articulation for the body, got 3 point, and hand. This backpack complete. This is complete for the main body. This is a backpack, and the weapon, high energy long range beam cannon, beam sword, and high energy beam rifle, anti beam shield, the effect part for the wing, and how to hold the weapon. This is the guide for sticker, and this color guide if you want to print back, and this is the finish kit. So that's all for unboxing MGSD Destiny Gundam. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.